Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zari and you guys are watching Finance Career. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys my 90% drawdown entry point strategy, and over the last few months I've been producing for you guys the top cryptocurrency and blockchain venture capital by going over the portfolio, measuring the success rate, and also selecting some of the projects which I thought were interesting, and also giving you guys access to see all the portfolio, and obviously to have them in your watch list as to when you feel it's a good time. Now right now we're seeing a lot of projects are trading at 50% lower than they were a few months ago, and this is probably one of the best time for you guys to look into some of those projects I have covered over the past few months. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to probably show here around here all the videos I have made so far regarding all the venture capital. And again, it took me a lot of time, but right now when the market is not trading in your favor, it's probably the best time to really see what are the big guys doing and obviously see if it's worth your time or not. Now I strongly believe in the 90% drawdown entry point, because based on past performance, again, just because it happened before doesn't mean it's gonna happen again, but again, based on my own personal intuition, I feel that because we're seeing now more projects that are trading at 90% lower than the all-time high, and furthermore we're seeing venture capital, we're even seeing Grayscale adding those companies, those projects to their portfolio, that really reassures me there's something here. There's a very good company right now. The prices are just following the trend. So for this specific video, we're going to be looking at Grayscale newest cryptocurrency edition, and I'm also going to justify to you guys why my 90% drawdown entry point is the best strategy for you guys when you find and select the right project for you guys. I know you guys were all excited when Bitcoin was trading at $65,000, when people were saying $10,000 next month Ethereum. I know it's very exciting. I know it's very difficult for you guys to open your wallet and obviously to look at buying more cryptocurrency. And again, I really believe that it's the best strategy for you guys. If you really want to be smart, it's really buying when everyone is hoping and expecting. There was all this rumor that July is going to be the best month, we're going to see the new rally. Again, I do not believe in all these mass media, mass thought that are projected by different media, by different YouTubers. I really don't believe it. I've been around for this in this sector for quite some time, that I really don't believe when something seems to be too good to be true, it's probably gonna get you hyped up, and when everyone's saying July or end of June something big gonna happen, that's when you're gonna see another correction. So right now the market is not trading in the way we wish for, and again, I think that you should probably look at some of the altcoin that Grayscale has added. So let's go over it and see which one I'm super excited. Now to illustrate my 90% drawdown strategy, basically looking at investing at company or cryptocurrency or project are currently trading 90% lower than all-time high. I'm going to show you this example. There's this project called Filecoin, which at all-time high was trading, let's see here, if you look here at CoinMarketCap, was 3 months ago was $237. Right now it's trading at almost 80% lower than all-time high. The all-time low was 1 year ago. Okay, so basically if you look here right now, we're looking at what it was, 200 and something dollars. Right now it's trading at $48. Now I would personally prefer to buy it when it's around that 90% drawdown range or correction. Now, which I believe should be around, should be around 20 something dollars. This would be when I would definitely feel more comfortable buying this project. Now, buying, if you literally, let's say you bought at 150 or $200, you're way in the deep losses. So this is why I really believe that if you really do your strategy and your research, if you have watched all my video, you understand that in most cycle we're seeing most of the project has a drawdown or has a correction of 80 to 90%. Look at Ethereum. from $1,400 to $90 in life cycle. Look at Bitcoin, from $20,000 went down to $3,400, $3,200. This is literally what's happening in every cycle. And right now we're seeing the similar cycle we saw in 2017, 2018. So if you look at statistically speaking, if you look at the data, the one that can actually generate the most money in the short term are altcoin. This is why I've done a lot of research over the past few months in finding projects are heavily invested by different venture capital, because they're here for the money, they're here to make profit. They're not here to just throw money and not making profit. They have a big team looking into it, and I feel that they already done like the initial research, the initial check, and I'm coming there, or you guys coming there, to obviously do more research to understand if you like the direction, if you like the team, and after you've done that, you can obviously decide if you want to invest or not. So if you look here, so Grayscale have decided they're gonna add 13 new cryptocurrency. So they're looking to add Inch, Banco, Curve, Internet Computer ICP, Kava, Kyber Network, Loopring, Near, Polygon, Ren, Solana, Universal Market Access, and 0x. Now, some of those projects I just listed right now, I already cover, I'm gonna cover in my next video, where I'm gonna actually cover one of the other venture capital. It's just to show you guys that most of those projects are most likely to succeed, already being handpicked by several venture capital. So if you see a pattern by multiple venture capital deciding to invest or to list or whatever, this obviously it's a good sign. If you already have decided this is a good project, so this is just another reaffirmation this is a good direction for you guys. Now, another thing you should obviously look at, if you go to Grayscale and then you go to product, I'm going to click on single asset, you can actually see over the last 1 month, 3 months, and 12 months. If you look here at basic attention, over the last 3 months, it went down by 55%, Bitcoin 43% lower. You have here Bitcoin Cash Trust, which went down over the last 3 months, 6%, and last month 33%. And then you have Ethereum, which is still trading 757% higher than the last 12 months. And then you have the last 1 month, 23%. So you really have a nice breakdown. And you can see the majority of them has a drawdown of between, I would say, 20% to 50%. This for you guys to understand that this is super common, and those companies are not saying, you know what, screw basic attention, we're gonna delist it. No, they're not doing that. They're literally still offering the service, and they're still gonna keep buying it. So in this sphere, most of those projects are here for the long run. Again, when a venture capital, when a company like Grayscale decide to open a trust, they're not here to make for 12 months here. They're here to attract potential investor and accredited investor to literally keep investing. And you're gonna have cycle, if it's a stock market, if it's a cryptocurrency, you're gonna have a period where the market are going to go up and the market gonna go down. Now they're probably gonna be buying now when it's 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%. Most of the company are literally increasing their holding during this market momentum, and you are just watching this video and just trying and hoping for the best. The best not gonna come in the next few months, in the next few days. What you should be doing is looking at, am I here to have more of my asset, or am I here to basically make a quick bucks? If you're here to make quick bucks, yes, you just need to find the next Shihibu Mimu, whatever this coin is called, or the next Dogecoin, put a few $1,000s, and then literally hope for the best. Or you can say to yourself, you know what, I do not have the time, do not have the resource to do all this research. Let's see what all the big players are doing, and based on that, you can actually see what they are doing. And if you see a common consensus between different venture capital that are saying this is a good one, this is a good one, and this is currently trading at 80%, 90% lower than all-time high, it's almost it's given that you should obviously look into it and invest, if obviously willing to take this risk. Again, just because everyone is saying it's a good project, it doesn't mean it's gonna succeed. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. And again, there's like another project called Internet, it's called ICP, Internet Computer. And just for you guys to understand, this was probably one of the most anticipated project for 2021. It reached an astronomical amount within a very short term. Just for you guys to have an idea, we're talking about a month ago, it reached $737. Okay, we are now trading at 95% lower, not 80, not 50, 95% lower. And we just saw here, again, in Grayscale, it's looking to add internet computer or ICP. And you have, if you saw my other video, we have many different venture capital are heavily invested. Again, most of them have invested when they raised the money. I think based on my information, it was around 50 cents. Again, if you invested at 50 cents and it's trading at $40, you still made a lot of money. But just for you guys to understand that there's a reason why everyone is actually looking to list this specific coin and obviously add them as a trust. And again, if you follow my methodology where I'm saying you should only look at investing in high quality project that has been vetted and has been invested by multiple venture capital, when it's below, when it's the drawdown is way more than 90%, and now we're seeing 95%. Now my price range for this one is actually very severe. I'm saying even around $8 to $10. This will be when I'll be looking into it. But I think this project, because of the support it's been getting from so many different projects, and because of the team, I think this project can really go back within 2 or 3 years back to the $700. So again, if you can go back from, let's say, from $40 to $10 and from 10 to 70 in 3 years, we're looking at, you know how much? 70 times return. Again, 70 times return, meaning if you were to put $1,000, this $1,000 will be turning into $17,000. This is really a big lifestyle different change. Again, this is just an example. Again, this may happen to me or this may not happen. I will definitely look into it, and once I feel the right time, I will definitely start acquiring this specific coin. Again, I'm not here to try to do this. That's not my style. My style is to look what all the big guys are doing, and obviously it's handpicked from those options, the one that I feel more comfortable, the one that makes sense. So this is for me. This is it for me today. And don't forget to subscribe and watch my next video, because in my next video I'm going to be covering blockchain capital. So until next time, bye bye.